So, breaking news on the issue of General Muhoozi Keinerugaba versus USA, or the USA ambassador William Pope. USA Mission Uganda, that is the US Embassy of Uganda, has issued a brief statement via X regarding a tweet which indicates that their ambassador to Uganda has already apologized. A tweet which is deemed fake by USA Mission to Uganda from an account called Muhoozi Keinerugaba quote states that the United States ambassador to Uganda, William W. Pope, has formally issued an apology to the Chief of Defense Forces, CDF, General Muhoozi Keinerugaba, His Excellency President Kagame Museveni, and the people of Uganda for his unrealistic conduct in the country. So the USA are saying it is fake. A statement from the caption which they say is this narrative is completely false. Neither the USA Embassy nor Ambassador Pope have received any formal request to apologize from the Ugandan government on any matter, nor has he apologized. All official statements are posted on our platforms, that is ug.usembassy.government. So the USA are saying disregard this information, and they're saying there has been no formal request made to them, meaning the Muhoozi X tweet only ended up just the way it is. So another thing that you must know is this Muhoozi Keinerugaba quote page, which is on X, is actually a fake page, but you may wonder why USA is replying to this fake account, which they also know. I think they're taking this matter so serious. They're taking this concern to the highest level of diplomatic seriousness. That's why they are not leaving any stone unturned for the accusation on their ambassador for involving in politics, which Muhoozi says the ambassador is against his father, that is General Museveni. So this development is a hot one, and there's no doubt it's a diplomatic blunder from our CDF, which may end up spoiling his reputation. Many people are now urging that maybe Muhoozi needs to shift from the yes men to the people who will give him technical advice, because there are people who are saying that the yes men may be the ones who are misadvising our CTF on issues of managing foreign affairs. And you know, I believe there are still going to be more reactions on this. Thank you.